Dear friends, I Dr. Shamsher Singh welcome you all on my YouTube channel Pharma Learning. Today I am going to discuss with you about a very important practical which you can perform on a zebrafish. So firstly I will discuss with you what is zebrafish. Zebrafish is a small aquatic animal which is called as a Danio rareo. So it is the scientific name of the zebrafish. Next, it is very important that you should learn that how to do this experiment. So basically whenever you want to do this experiment you should have few things. तो आपको क्या क्या चाहिए उसमें? फर्स्ट थिंग इज ए apparatus which is called as a novel diving apparatus. So this apparatus you can see this is made up of glass which contain a water, and in the water we put a zebrafish. The second thing which is required is a webcam. So this is a webcam which is connected to a laptop containing a Animage software. So this software is directly connected to this webcam, and the important application or the purpose of this webcam that you can directly record your video excluding all the peripheral things. It will take only this pic only. So this particular picture will be captured by this webcam and it will provide you whole of the analysis. That means it will track all the movement of your zebrafish, where you will see zebrafish is revolving or is swimming or is moving either in the bottom zone or either in the top zone or either in the middle zone. So before going to practical I will tell you that which type of practical you can design by using this novel diving apparatus. So दोस्तों there are two type of practicals which you can design. The first practical that to check the anti-anxiety effect of any drug. So I will tell you can take diazepam, you can take any drug, because this practical you will design either for B.Pharm student or either for M.Pharm student or either you are doing your research in PhD. So in PhD if you are considering that novel diving test apparatus is one of your parametric analysis. So if you consider this as a parametric analysis, that mean in case of B.Pharm and in case of M.Pharm pharmacology laboratory practical, what you can do, you can check the anti-anxiety effect of any drug like diazepam using a novel diving apparatus and in a zebrafish. This is the first experiment you can perform. The second practical which if you are doing in case of B.Pharm M.Pharm laboratory, then you can do the sedative and hypnotic activity of the drug by analyzing the locomotor movement of the zebrafish in the novel diving apparatus. This is the second thing. Now what will be the third thing if you are doing your research in M.Pharm or you are doing your research in PhD? So if you will consider this as a parameter, you will divide your animal like a control group which contain few fishes like 10 or 12 as you required. Second will be your disease group, in which you will firstly induce anxiety, depression or any problem like Parkinson disease. It will reduce locomotion. The third thing you will include your interventions, that means treatment group, where you will take a low, medium, high or a low high or a single dose as you required. And the fourth group will be your standard group. So that means I am telling you, I am discussing with you that how you can design your practical as on the B.Pharm, M.Pharm and PhD level. So in case of first practical I will tell you, if you want to check the anti-anxiety effect of diazepam on a zebrafish using novel diving apparatus. So this is the aim of your practical. What will be the requirement? The requirement will be webcam, requirement will be a laptop containing Animage software, and the requirement will be a novel diving apparatus which is made up of glass and which is filled with a water up to 80% level, and it is having a one zebrafish. So why one? Because we do experiment on a individual fish. If you will take a more than one fish, then what will be the problem? It is difficult to predict the locomotion and you are unable to mark any specific fish. So that's why In case of this practical, we always take a single fish. In this webcam anime software, you can see here that the fish is revolving here and there. So what is the principle of this apparatus? The basic principle is that before drug treatment, what is the movement of the, or what is the anxiety behavior of the fish, and after drug treatment what will be the anxiety behavior of the fish. That means fish will either travel in the bottom or a top. So I will tell you firstly about anxiety. So anxiety is a such type of disorder where any object experience a fear like condition. So that means if you will induce anxiety in a zebrafish, it will having a some fear like condition. That means in case of anxiety, zebrafish always travel at the bottom line, and in case of normal behavior, zebrafish travel at the top zone. So I will discuss you how you can do your practical. In case of first thing, you will prepare or you will keep all the things neat and clean so that you can perform very well your practical. The second thing, your novel diving test should be filled with a normal tap water up to 80%. And the third thing, you will put a one zebrafish. And the fourth thing, you will fix a webcam and you will record your particular movement of your zebrafish in a webcam, you can say anime software using a webcam camera. So how you will start your practical? Before starting, in case of research, we do at least training for 2 to 3 days. So 2 to 3 days training phase is required if you are doing practical in case of research. Why? Because if you will not train the zebrafish, the behavior will be altered. So whenever you want to perform experiment, जब भी आप अपना PhD M.Pharm में रिसर्च परफॉर्म करना चाहते हैं तो आप इसको 3 days ट्रेनिंग दें, मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग. द हैबिचुएशन फॉर द ट्रेनिंग वुड बी 3 to 5 minutes. In that case, your particular zebrafish will be habitual and it will give you a better performance, better reading what you want to analyze. So before starting, you will put the zebrafish here. On the second or on the fourth day, after 3 days of training, what you will do? In case of control group, you will analyze the reading or you will check the movement of the zebrafish, because this animes provide you the movement in term of lining. So where the zebrafish will be moved, it will show that this is the particular area, because it will scatter all the things. So in this case, if you are doing research, your group will be a control group, disease group, intervention group, standard group, and you will all do here. And in case of B-Pharm M-Pharm experiment, what you will do, you will put a zebrafish. Then if you see that we induce anxiety, how you can induce anxiety? Simply, there are so many methods, but one of the method that you will continuously disturb the zebrafish with the rod. So you will use a glass rod for 2 to 3 minutes. You will daily disturb it and it will be irritated and it will show some anxiety like behavior. So what you will do, you will put a diazepam as the required concentration as per the available literature. Whenever you put the diazepam here in this apparatus, then you will see that during the anxiety, zebrafish was traveling in the bottom zone. And when you will treat it with the drug, which could be anti-anxiety drug, which could be anti-depressant drug, which could be anti-Parkinson drug, the frequent movement of the zebrafish will be more on the top zone of this apparatus, so that the top zone movement would be more. So in this case, you can easily analyze that either you divide the fish into two groups for the normal experiment. One is a control group, another is a treatment group. In case of control group, you check the reading, and in case of treatment, you firstly will induce anxiety and then you will treat it with a suitable drug, and then you will check that what is the movement of the zebrafish here. So dear friends, this zebrafish, which is too useful to do anti-anxiety analysis of the drug which produce anti-anxiolytic effect, the drug which produce antidepressant effect, and the drug which are useful as a anti-Parkinson drug, because here you can check the locomotion activity of the particular drug. So that's why this experiment which I have discussed with you today, it is very useful for the B Pharm, M Pharm and PhD candidates. I will in future will discuss with you other experiments or other apparatus which you can use for the zebrafish studies, and which you can use for such type of disorder in which we can prefer a zebrafish as a suitable animal. So you must like, subscribe and share all the videos, and you all are welcome. Thank you.